Today I'm going to show you 4 apps that you should have in 2025 if you want to become fluent in any language. I know that you may have in your resolutions for 2025 become fluent in Spanish, English, Mandarin, you name it. I'm going to give you 4 apps that are almost free, essential, and that become very, very fundamental whenever I want to learn a new language or keep track of my learning progress in, let's say, Portuguese, French, or Catalan. Let's go. Language Tool is a writing-based plugin that works with WhatsApp, Google Docs, Word, or almost any writing-based application. In here, you have a plugin that allows you to make any corrections, so it'll detect any typos, rephrase any sentences, and even give you some corrections for punctuations in your sentences. So if it detects any typos, it'll point it out for you. You can just click it and it'll fix it for you right away. The best part is that it's almost free. You can pay for it for the full version, but it's up to you. But I found it just enough to go with the free version. Now let's talk about Anki. This is an app that allows you to make customizable flashcards. In here, you can include audio, videos, and even fill in the blanks modules that allow you to basically assimilate any concept much easier than other traditional methods. In here, what I like to do is I like to keep all those concepts that I'm still struggling to understand. So in this case, words or phrases, and I keep them as flashcards. And I mixed it with any different modules and different combinations to get myself much more acquainted with different ways that I can put it and basically learn faster than, let's say, just repetition or just memorizing concepts. You can get it for free, but basically it goes above and beyond under the free version. Now let's talk about Discord. So if you're not familiar with Discord, it's basically a gaming-based chat application. In here, what started as a gaming-based community for having chats back and forth, it has been able to branch out into many different niches. So for example, for mental health, gaming, or even languages, there's a whole bunch of Discord servers that are basically tailored towards learning a language. It's a good place for you to get live feedback from actual people that speak the language. So you get book clubs, pronunciation clubs, and even just live feedback for you to get corrected by actual people. It's very valuable, so definitely take the time to go on Google, find your respective language Discord for let's say for English or Spanish, and you'll be able to learn a lot from the people that are pretty much active in it on a 24/7 basis. And again, it's free. And lastly, and as a bonus, I'm going to be talking about Notion and ShGPT and how you can use both apps to make it your own personal tutor towards language fluency. Here's what you need to do. You're going to go on Notion, you're going to open a journal entry, and you're going to start writing your first entry without any assistance. Once you have your first journal entry ready, you're going to input that same paragraph on ShGPT, and it'll give you back its observations and corrections. You're gonna get that same entry, and you're gonna put it on Google Translate, and you're gonna make the further adjustments. So once you get put it on Google Translate, adjust it if needed, and then put it back, that same Google Translate version, into ChatGPT. And finally, you get a refined version, so you can get a contrast of the before and after. So you get the one that you made without any assistance. And with ChatGPT, you'll get the final product that is actually refined and with the proper corrections. This will keep your journal. You can see your before and after from your first moment they start writing until the very last journal entry. So yeah, those are the apps that I know you should have in 2025 to become fluent in any language. Becoming fluent in your target language will require being always consistent and always being there on a daily basis. So while you're at it, you might as well have the best apps and tools for you to make it much more fun and engaging to do. If you want to become fluent in any language, in this case for English and Spanish, subscribe to my channel, give it a like and comment, and also consider checking the Substack in which I made the same note. I'm always going to be updating it, so check the link, it's in the description, and also consider subscribing to my Substack while you're at it. So that's pretty much all for today, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.